3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Kulang ng isa. Ay, Abra, nag-6 sila. So, 7 lang. Abra, we don't have Abra. So, it was UT Abra Kaawante. So, judges, you can do your judging while we continue for our program. So, you can open, can I call Sarah to assist? You assist, yes, you assist or judges? Yes, para open. Tapos, the program will continue. Yeah, while they are judging, continue to the program. Okay.
Dagdag tayo man iti messages from our Madam Noble Life. Pakinggan po natin ang mensahe ng ating Madam Riley. Yeah, from Noble Life po.
Good morning.